Hi Aleyna, I am Win from Digital Energy and I wanted to make this video for you to show you some of the things that I do. Um, I'm really excited about this project because all of the event planning and wedding planning websites are absolutely gorgeous and it would be a really fun project to work on. So you can have a beautiful website, but it really doesn't do you much good except for kind of being a virtual landing page or a business card for your business if you're not being found on Google. So what I do is I make beautiful websites that are found on Google. So here are some of your top competitors. The first two competitors I'm going to show you are for event planning in Winston-Salem. This one is #1 on the map pack, and then this one is #1 on the Google's first page. So as you can see, they have beautiful websites, lots of pictures and videos, even though I don't know if I would really go with videos that much because they really slow down your website loading page in a lot of cases. And if a website doesn't load within 4 seconds, then a lot of people will just go on to the next one. So that's something that we'd have to discuss. I do have a couple of tricks up my sleeve for that. Let's go ahead and look at their website with Google. This is Ahrefs. It is a pretty pricey program that I use, but it shows me a lot about websites. So this person was first on the map pack, and I was kind of discouraged a little bit because they have a really great website. They have a lot of trust with Google. These numbers represent their trust with Google. They have a 40 UR, which is actually their home page, and then they have a 30 DR. Someone is definitely doing SEO for their website. They have 274 referring domains for backlinks with over almost 9,000 backlinks. So they would be a hard competition to beat. But let's go ahead and go look at the person who's being first on Google's homepage found organically. They also have a beautiful website, very easy to navigate, which Google really likes. But their numbers aren't nearly as good. So it would be super easy to get you on the first page of Google organically. I'm going to say probably within 3 months or so. Um, so they only have 19 referring domains with 169 backlinks. And all a backlink is where you have a link on someone else's website. A lot of times it's a blog or something like that, pointing back to your website. And it transfers power from their website to your website, which gives you more trust with Google. But not all backlinks are created equal. We really want to have mostly do follow links, which is where they actually transfer the power, as and according to no follow backlinks, where they don't transfer any power to you. And so that's what gives you the trust. And as you can see, their trust with Google is very low. Now, also another big thing is going to be keywords and content. So you really want to have about 1,500 words of content on your home page. And in those keywords, I think this is the one I really liked, you want to have specific locations and search terms that people actually look for, like wedding planners, Winston-Salem, North Carolina. So they're 5th for that. And right here it has a monthly search of 70 with a KD, which is actually a keyword difficulty of 0. So it'd be really easy to use this search term in your content on your homepage, or all over your website rather, to be able to get you ranked for that. Now, I would be going through and searching through people's websites, finding the very best keywords for you to get ranked for, so you get ranked as quickly as possible. The last thing that we're going to be talking about is citations. A citation is just your name, address, and phone number all over different directories like Yelp, Super Yellow Pages. There's lots of different wedding and event planning directories for us to get you into. And that is going to help you with the Google Map Pack, which is one of the easiest ways to get found on Google on the first page. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, Aleyna. I really hope I'm pronouncing your name right also. And I really look forward to speaking with you and seeing if we be a good fit for each other. And I hope to talk to you soon. Thank you so very much. I hope you have a great day.